Hello, and thank you so much for wanting to check out our middle school math pre-algebra teachers integers bundle. This integers bundle is specific for any 6th, 7th, or 8th grade middle school math teacher, and it includes everything you need to teach integers, including integers and absolute value, adding integers, subtracting integers, multiplying integers, and dividing integers. In this quick video, I wanted to share with you exactly what you're going to get inside of this bundle. But before we dive in, if we don't already know each other, my name is Kathy Martin, and I'm the creator of the Pre-Algebra Teachers Middle School Math Membership. We are your one-stop shop for everything you need to teach middle school math. Let's dive into the resources. When you grab this bundle, you are going to be immediately taken to this page where you're going to be able to access everything inside. So everything is set up for you to download and immediately use right away. So inside of this bundle, every chapter includes a PowerPoint. So I'm just going to click and I'm going to show you exactly what it is. These are PowerPoint PDFs. So when you log in, you'll be able to see every chapter comes with vocabulary, rules, practice problems, and answer keys. You will also be getting PDF versions of our practice problems. So this is exactly what our adding integers looks like. You'll open it up and there'll be 25 problems, including a word problem and, of course, your answer key. We also have additional resources that correspond with each chapter. So for example, I'm going to show you our printable maze activity. So this is, again, another PDF printable activity because we love printables and we need them. So students will start here, answer the questions, and go through the maze. And of course, you'll have an answer key. We also have incredible bonuses. When you grab this resource, you are going to be getting 15 extra bonuses. I want to jump in and show you we'll show you some of the things that you're going to be getting. Okay, so here is our bonuses for our adding and subtracting integers, and there are bonuses for multiplying and dividing as well. So some of my favorite bonuses that you're going to be getting include our printable integer escape room. This is just for adding and subtracting, so no multiplying and dividing here, but you're going to be able to print all these pages out, place them across the room, and students will try to escape the room. Who doesn't love that? You're also going to be getting some extra digital activities. And I just want to show you what some of these digital activities are because I love them. As much as I love printable activities, I have loved these digital activities as well because all of these digital activities are self-correcting, meaning you don't have to spend any time grading. So this is our mystery puzzle activity. And you can see here the big green box in the center. Students have to answer all the questions and they will then discover what the mystery picture is. So you can see here, the first question says -9 plus 13. If I answer the correct answer, you'll see a piece of the picture will pop up. If I go to the next question and I answer it wrong, let's just say I put +15, you can see nothing happens. That's how your student will know that they got the answer wrong. But if I answer it correctly, another piece of the picture will come up. In the end, they will see that the final image looks like this. You will, I suggest that you get rid of the answer key page when you assign, this activity to students so that they don't see the answers. We also have our pixel art activities, which I absolutely love. This is a bonus for multiplying and dividing integers. You can see it's another self-correcting activity. So if students put in the correct answer, 4 times 9 is 36, you'll see a piece of these pixels will pop up. But let's say they get it wrong and they put in 16, boom, nothing happens, right? Okay, that means they got it wrong. So I got to put in the right answer, more of the picture comes up. And in the end, they will come up with this image. And of course, again, I suggest that you don't include the answer sheet because we don't want our students to know, we don't want them to have all the answers before they start. Another bonus you're going to get is our digital maze. It's similar to our printable mazes, but again, this is self-correcting. So this is for adding and subtracting. It's 5. So the first question, start here, says 5 plus negative 10. If you answer the correct answer, you can see a piece of the path lights up. But so now it's telling me to go diagonal, right? If I answer the wrong question, or if I put in the wrong answer, nothing happens. But now, okay, that's wrong. All right, so now I'm trying to figure out what the answer is. All right, I think I know it. Bam, a piece of the maze continues. And they'll just go through and try to get to the winner square. Again, this bundle, this integer bundle is everything that you need to successfully teach integers. Let's be honest, our students are really struggling with integers right now, and it is something that we have to teach because they cannot really get through any other part of math without knowing integers. So if you want to grab this special bundle right now for only $27, click the button right below this video or the link, depending on how you're watching it, and grab it today. It's only $27 for a limited time, and I'm so excited for you to use this in your class. Until next time, bye for now.